Hi guys, Jeff again here from TAT. EV and hybrids are becoming more and more common. The sales numbers are going up. We're going to start seeing them in our workshop. So interestingly today, in my own workshop, we've got 4 EV and hybrid vehicles here. So a quick little run through in regards to some of these. This is a personal imported Toyota Crown hybrid. The high voltage battery here is starting to fail. It had a code of POA80, very common code, replace hybrid battery pack. So again, that's really saying that the battery pack and that is pretty much failing and it needs to be replaced. We've got the Model Y there, which sits in for routine maintenance. We've got the silver Prius here. Again, this had some battery warning lights on, but interestingly enough, the fault code for this one was POA7F, which is basically saying that the battery is degrading. So it's not saying replace it at the moment, but it's altering it up so that it's degrading and you need to look at it. This lady is going to go for a new battery pack, a new battery pack for this particular vehicle, which we're going to purchase and get fitted up for, and she's A-OK with that. And then last up, I've got the old Nissan Leaf EV here as well, which has got some high voltage battery issues, where the high voltage battery is going flat over time when it's left in the garage. So we're just trying to nail out what's actually happening with that. But basically goes to show that more of these cars are becoming more relevant. So if you want to be in that space, or you want to be known as being EV and hybrid friendly, maybe you should really consider joining up the EV and hybrid network. So that network is about linking the consumer to a certified and trained workshop like mine and like others in the area. So if you want to start to be seen in that space and for people to recommend you, etc., maybe consider joining the EV and hybrid network. So get a couple of these jobs, and everyone is a learning cycle, but it's exciting. We did a Nissan Leaf battery repair only last week in replacing a cell on a Nissan Leaf battery, etc. So we're starting to see more of it more come in. So now's your opportunity to get on board early, become an early adopter, get your clients to know that you're EV and hybrid friendly. They'll talk to each other. You know, these people are quite active on social media, and your name will certainly get out there pretty quickly as being the guy to go to if they've got an EV or hybrid issue. Hope that helps you out. We'll see you next time.